Hello, good morning, good afternoon to our weekly order flow show with Robert Rother. And please give me feedback if you can hear and see me. Oh, yeah, Caesar, I already see you on Discord. Yeah, thank you very much. I will talk about this progress later on. It's really, yeah, very incredible actually how fast it also goes with Apex. And honestly, how reliable they are. And this in combination with Bookmap is an amazing powerful weapon, so to say, yeah, for trading. So let's continue. First of all, an announcement from Bookmap. Their Bruce organized a Pro Trader webinar series. Unfortunately, it's only on Discord. And of course, as you know, you all should sign up for Discord. And well, check it out in Discord. Interesting traders and stories that basically I think add a lot to your trading knowledge, and maybe you can get the one or other interesting thing out of it for your own trading plan. So have a look here in Discord. I also post here on YouTube the Discord link who's not a member yet in Discord. Then, of course, about me, who doesn't know me yet, who's new here, maybe if there are new people, you can also write something. I started trading at the age of 13. With 17, I co-founded my first investment company in Frankfurt, Germany, and I sold my shares in that company and I moved to China in 2004, where I set up a second investment company with a Chinese partner together. And well, at the peak time, we had over $100 million under management, and I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my company. But if you're quite successful in China, look at people like Jack Ma, then you get in trouble. And I was detained in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese financial system. And I spent the next 7 years and 7 months in a Chinese detention center and prison. I was released in December 2018. And well, the first thing that you're doing is you're writing a book about it. It became a best-selling book in Germany, and we are working on an English translation already. Don't worry about that. And well, after my release, well, I went back into the trading business, and I have two trading communities, one in German language and one in English, and we are focusing on proprietary trading. And of course, if you're here on YouTube and if you want to also access this Pro Trader webinar series, which I already mentioned, you have to sign up for Discord. Basically, scan this code. And if you have a Bookmap license, then verify yourself here. You go to verify with your Bookmap license, and then you get access to the Pro Trader webinar series and to also my chat room here. If you have any questions on Bookmap, you can go to Robert Rother Futures, and basically you can ask me frequently questions without any time delay. And if you do not have a Bookmap license yet, well, I can also post my affiliate link here for Bookmap. You can sign up, and there's also a free version if you just want to try it, the digital version for cryptocurrencies. But of course, if you want to if you feel comfortable with it, upgrade it, and well, you can see how you can trade like me through Bookmap, what I'm going to show you later. Yeah, this is basically some sort of wall of certificates that I received from Apex over the last 3 months, but this is just a few of them. I cannot put all of them here. And also in our community, people are very successful about it. They receive their certificates and also their payouts. And right now, I'm also on probation with Apex since Monday. I cannot open any new accounts anymore. And I am basically under supervision, and they are checking all of my trades. And if I pass the next 30 days, or if I continue trading like I did before, I might be upgraded to live prop trading accounts, and that is probably the highest level that you can get as a trader for prop firms. And then they also, well, you can prove that is a proof that you're really consistent trader. You're following the rules, you have your risk management, and of course you're profitable. If you want to find out more about it, just go to lit.robertrother.com and or join our community. I will also talk more about this later. Now, most importantly, the risk disclosure. All Bookmap limited materials, information, and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So, now done with the presentation, and now let's head back to the markets. So let's see who's already here. Caesar, Dan, hello. P, hello. And here on YouTube also, Frank, hello. And if you like it, just leave a like button here on YouTube. Yeah, market situation again on the way to new all-time highs. Yeah, that is quite amazing. My trading day yesterday was quite good. Within the first hour of the regular trading sessions, I reached my profit goal for all my performance accounts on Apex, and my daily goal was finished. So, and today is the third day of that, probation period. And let's see what sort of trading opportunities we get. Of course, first of all, we have a look at the economic calendar, when are news being released. We had at 2:30, this is Central European time, which is 8:30 Eastern time. Some news, but basically no big surprises. At 3:20, 10:20, no, in 3:20, in 14 minutes, 9:20, there is a Fed Chair Powell speech, and well, that can be interesting. I don't know what he's going to talk about, but can have some effect on the markets. And then we have at 10 a.m. Eastern time pending home sales. This will also be interesting. So we should basically not be in that market, and in 14 minutes, of course, have to be careful. The next thing that I always check, and which is basically a very good thing to trade, are the settlement prices, which you find on the website of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Markets, mini S&P, settlements. Settlement price from yesterday is here 79. We're going to add this on my chart, 79. Oh, we're already a lot higher. Come on. We could see that here during the pre-session we are already a lot stronger. Have to remove here my VWAPs from yesterday. Yesterday's trading. Well, the market only knows one way, and that is to the upside. Probably what we could maybe expect is a gap close, that we can find entry levels here, but basically I do not think that this is going to happen. Now we are simply going to add the VWAP from market opening at midnight. And also interesting to see, that is also probably the low price, and since that day we are only going to the upside. So interesting for me is, of course, the VWAP here at 5,816, and of course always the standard deviations. Otherwise, what can we say here on the upside? There is no, if we look on a longer time frame, there is nothing above, so we simply have to look into the sky without any resistance zones. I don't like these sort of markets, but what can you do? Simply have to trade. Let's have a look at Bookmap. We also have the settlement prices already implemented here in our cloud notes. We can see the red line. These are it's basically always the high of the day. I like this sort of tool because sometimes if you're too deep inside the bookmap scalping, then I sometimes I forget that we have the highest price level, lowest price level. Yeah, it's a nice add-on that you can get here on. We trade now where we can get it price levels, can enter price levels according to percentage, and it starts at a market opening, and I have the highest price and the lowest price. It's just for me an indication where the market is right now. And we can see we are basically entering new all-time highs. What might be interesting for me to trade is basically here at the VWAP zone for long opportunities, or the second standard deviation is short opportunities. I have to say the second standard deviation is working quite well for scalping trades. Dan, hello, thank you, Dan. Let's see how it continues with Apex, but I'm really, I really appreciate it from Apex, and it only shows that, well, my trading is successful. And within 4 months, I started my community in May this year, and on the 3rd of June, I received my first payout, and since that day, every 2 weeks. And now all my accounts are basically eligible for unlimited payouts. Now you're again under supervision, and let's see what the next step is. At least I will keep you up to date about the progress, and I'm also excited, and I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm happy about that. So here on YouTube, hello Christian, hello Tony, hi Robert. Okay, it's in German. I will translate it to English. If I have a financial advantage from Apex, well, I don't really know yet how this is going to continue. If I really get live accounts, what the conditions are, I really don't know yet. I have to see. I will keep you up to date. I just got this notification from Apex on Monday that I am now on probation. So that means I will check all my trades, and I have to follow really certain rules, like you must have a stop loss. You cannot have a mental stop loss. So I have my bracket orders, and if they have questions regarding my trading, you have to have a trading plan, trading strategy, and every trade that I'm actually doing is being recorded. I'm using the Bookmap trading recording function, which is very helpful, and of course in my trading community everything is being recorded. So if there are some questions about my strategy or about my trading, I have evidence, and that is very important to actually explain what I am doing, that there's a logic behind it, that there's a risk management behind it, and that I have the trading statistics. I used to run my own hedge fund, and there's nothing worse for a hedge fund if a trader is going rough or if he's freaking out. And basically all of the traders, it's going to happen one day or the other that they forget something. And you want to have traders that you can rely on every day. Every day he makes like $100 or $500. Fine. That is, you do not have to make a fortune every day. No, nobody wants this. Just be stable in your trading. And that is what I'm doing since 4 months. I have very clear profit goals for my PA accounts, and I'm following these rules, and then trading is over for the day. And if I want to play around, I use evaluation accounts, but even that I cannot do anymore. I cannot open any new accounts. I can still trade some evaluation accounts that I already have, but still under the same circumstances and the same conditions. Otherwise, they have a reason that you fail, or that you are simply not a reliable trader. I mean, I'm in that business for almost 30 years now, and I know what they expect. And I try to do it as good as I can, So now in 6 minutes, Paul is talking. This can be volatile, so we are careful with trades, and we already can see the market basically is not moving. Liquidity is in a 2-digit zone. Basically, there's not much liquidity in. I believe it has something to do with the Powell speech in 6 minutes. So the order book is very thin, as you can see. only 50 contracts on bid and ask side, or even less. That is actually nothing. If you look, the volatility index is at 15, though there's still no more fear in the market. Yeah, that is already a little bit strange. On the other hand, we have election year in the States, and basically election years are always good for the market, or at least for rising prices. So, and again, for the ones who came a little bit later, if you cannot write here on YouTube, or if you have delays on YouTube, then register with Discord. Yeah, I'm already putting here the link again for Discord, and you can get access to, if you verify yourself here on Discord, on a verification with your Bookmap license key, and then you have access to the 3 different chat rooms, and you can ask frequently questions, and you get also access to the pro webinar series that is Bruce hosting this week. Very interesting. I think you can get a lot of beneficial or good information for your trading that might be very helpful. Yeah, even for me, I'm really telling you, I'm watching many videos, or I'm booking online courses, seminars from different traders, simply to keep my mind updated about new things. And also sometimes there's just this little one thing, yeah, this one sentence which gives you, aha, I could integrate this into my trading strategy, and it might be helpful for me. Yeah, I'm doing this almost every day, and I'm buying everything that I can get in my hands, simply to be up to date. And that is the interesting part about the trading. We are always inventing or reinventing ourselves new. There are certain basics in the market, they are always the same. They're never going to change. I mean, a market only has 4 things. First thing is the price that we can see here. The second thing is the volume that we can see here in the bubble. And the third fact is a timestamp. So price, volume, time. These are historical facts which every market has, otherwise there wouldn't be a market. And the fourth part, which is there, but which is somehow we can look into the future, yeah, is the liquidity that we can see here on the current order book. These 4 facts every market has, every market in the world. And well, Bookmap gives me the view into that fourth part, which is very important for me to understand where are the players, where lies is the liquidity, where the big players want to enter the market or exit the market. That is very crucial for my trading style. So now 2 more minutes to go. If we want to basically keep track about what there's going to be said, there's a nice website called Financial Juice. I also only have the free version. I do not need real-time information, but we can get a good overview about what is happening here. Yeah. So we had the news at 2:30. We could see some sort of reaction here, but nothing out of the ordinary. So in 1 more minute we can see what's happening. Maybe nothing is happening, or something is going to happen. We don't know. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them here in the chat room or in on Discord. Otherwise, we simply have to wait another couple of minutes until the action is starting, and hopefully we can place some trades. Otherwise, not much going on here right now. Also, no news on financial news, financial juice. Nothing is happening. So I think they're still waiting for market opening. Oh, okay, there are some updates here. Fed's Powell does not discuss monetary policy or economic outlook in brief opening remarks to New York Fed conference. So basically, there is, I think, nothing that is going to influence the markets here. So we're still waiting. So for me, after opening, interesting point here and here. In yesterday's trading for my funded accounts, we had a hit rate of 100%. Was already a little bit scary. Every trade worked quite well. Oh, hello, Raphael. Best greetings to Switzerland. Caesar, Robert, have you traded any Bullenox accounts yet? No, I don't have any Bullenox accounts, but we have one trader, Bernd, in our community. He is trading with Bullenox, and according to my information, he's quite happy with that. But I personally do not have any experience with it. I am quite busy with Apex at the moment. Really low liquidity. So already 50 people on YouTube. You can hit the like button on YouTube, and well, we are just waiting for market opening right now. Otherwise, I do not see any trading opportunity right now. When I see the data latency with risk mix, that is a little bit not good. Candlestick cricket, good morning, yeah, or good afternoon here in Europe. Okay, now we get some little movement, but to the VWAP it's still 8 points. But maybe we can already place a buy limit order here and we simply wait. Because if you place your order early, you know you're always ahead in the book. And many times we can see the market really makes like a sweep to the VWAP and then already is going up. Sometimes my trades only take like 2-3 seconds and then the profit is done or the loss is realized. Peter Penef, what is the yellow dotted line? This one is the first standard deviation from the VWAP. If you basically go to Bookmap, settings, configure add-ons, then you have the VWAP add-on. And you see bands here, yeah. This is the yellow one starting at midnight. This is Central European time. I start this VWAP when the official market is opening. This is either 6 p.m. Eastern time or midnight European time, Central European time. And then these are these bands, yeah, show standard deviation 1 and 2. So 3 minutes to go. 1 second, I'm just getting another drink. So still 2 minutes to go. Gabriel, hello Robert, you work with Apex? Yes, I work with Apex since basically 4 months. And now I'm in probation status. I got this email and for the next 30 days they are reviewing all of my trades and I have to basically provide something like trading statistics if they ask me. And then I'm on the stage to getting live prop accounts. Is there a Marcos Visa, is there a difference between the day and session VWAP on Bookmap and Trading View? Yes, there is small difference, Marcos, because the data is different. Yeah, on Bookmap, on Trading View, you have aggregated data. You do not have the accuracy like in Bookmap. We have much deeper data accuracy and trade. So this is why it sometimes differs a little bit. Yeah. This is it's Trading View is fast. It's okay for my analysis. It's perfect. Yeah. I like it. Easy, fast. Can use it on a mobile phone. But the accuracy of the data is not like Bookmap. This is basically tick data, and they only have on TradingView you have like open, high, low, close data. Yeah. This is why sometimes we have differences in the calculation of the VWAPs and standard deviations. But for me, I really think that it's a minor problem. It's not that essential. I mean, if you record here the bookmap data, you have like 5 or 6 gigabytes of information data. In TradingView, it's of course a lot less, but on the advantage is it's also a lot faster. So then market just opened. Now the session VWAP is starting at market opening, and I'm still trying to catch a trade here at the day VWAP. Here now we can also see it here. We are at 817.75. It's almost the same, you know. Oh, now I have data latency. I do not like that. Now I'm already in the position. That is, of course, very not good. I do not have any data, but I'm already in. The good thing is that take profit and stop loss are already set. Data latency, very good now. Now, okay, now I also this is not nice. You see on TradingView, how does it look like? Okay, the first trade, I'm already in profit, 225. I reached my goal for that account. But you can see the data latency. This is a big problem right now, which makes it difficult for trading. But the good thing is that the bracket orders are server-sided, if I'm correct. And you see I'm in here, out here at the VWAP. Easy scalping trade. That's my business. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disconnect here and I'm going to reconnect. First of all, I have to configure. I have to change the server. I'm choosing, I was now Frankfurt Gateway. Now I'm changing to Chicago area. Basically, you can change this here, system, gateway. You can choose different ones. Okay, and now I'm going to reconnect. And I'm choosing the next account. I have to reload the data again. I hope this, once the trade copier from Bookmap is there, then this problem should not occur anymore. But we also have this gap here, so I have to file, refresh Bookmap, refresh and clear data library. And this I'm basically doing with 15 accounts every day, yeah, switching from account to trade through Bookmap, all my PA accounts. So I still need historical data from 24 hours. I have to load it. There's some handiwork, yeah. Oh, Caesar, sorry about Dortmund. Hey, I already forgot it. That was a shame. That was really, really unbelievable stupid from Dortmund. Really, I no words about this. I really, same like last season. Completely off the table. Just crazy. Now let's see where's the next possible zone. We have, I think, to get the big picture here. What we can do is now to add an anchored VWAP at the high. We're also doing this in Bookmap here. Yesterday the market took out the all-time high. Then we entered a VWAP there, and well, we were simply trading shorts around the VWAP. That was working quite well. So now we look here. I like this price level here, so we could simply add create anchored VWAP. So we have this level here, might be interesting, 5,810. What is 8,810? I'm going to change the color of that VWAP a little bit to something more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find a short trade here at the session VWAP. And probably also here. But this is now always a question where to enter, here or here. But I'm using a session VWAP right now. Now you see I changed the gateway. And now there's no more data latency. Jorge, how can I use Bookmap and NT with same Rhythmic connection? I think this is not possible. Basically, you need two Rhythmic connections, yeah? So now we got another trade here. Or you must use the R trader, connect to the R trader, and I think there's a way. But for me, I simply have two Rhythmic connections if I would use two softwares. I didn't lose anything on that. I just made $225 on the trade. That was with the data latency, because my trade was executed and I had my take profit and my stop loss on the server side already. So I do not have to do anything. Just wait until the market is until the data is back. And now we simply got stopped out here. The market went to this VWAP. Okay, it's a losing trade right now, but I was not sure which VWAP to take, this one or this one, and this one probably looks better. Anyway, it's only a trade of thousands. Now we have to see what is the market doing. Are we going back to the upper side, or is this continuing on the downside? I'm also adding in VWAP here at the bottom to see where the market wants to go. Yeah, I definitely choose the wrong VWAP, and now I'm unlucky. I got stopped out exactly at the high point here. It's like that. And we can try it again here. Let's see. I'm still going to wait here. What I like to trade is the second standard deviation. That might be here. We can try to place an order here. You know, the problem is when you have data latency on that, and many traders they do not understand where their orders are actually. If you place your orders here, they are on the server. And then if they see data latency and they're getting nervous, they try to press more buttons, yeah. But these orders are also being transferred to the server. So the only thing that you have to do is basically don't do anything. Just wait and be patient because your orders are in the market. Hedgeware, yes, Apex has Rhythmic MBO data. It costs $10 per month, the official Rhythmic price. Yeah? $10 für hier index futures. If you want to have crude oil and other markets, well, then you have to pay like $30 per month. That's the normal official price. Okay, now here we also got stopped out. The market is still not, well, very chunky right now, choppy. Oh no, we wait and see what's going to happen. And the next level would be interesting here, 5,808 or 16. Jorge, where can we find a template of your Bookmap chart? Well, basically there is no template, but I do not have any special functions. Basically, if you just change the color, and I have the current order book here. I have the session volume profile. These are standard functions, and we have cloud nodes. This is for our community members, but there we basically show mainly the settlement prices that are interesting for us. But since we are no near any settlement price, there's nothing to pay attention to. And then simply settings, configure add-ons. What am I using? Stop and icebergs on chart. I'm using this one. And also the basic configurations, but there's also not much to see right now. And AVWAP, this you get in the manage add-ons sections. Yeah, AVWAP, you can install it, and that's basically it. Edwin Zavala, good morning or good afternoon here. And here on YouTube, you can still hit the like button. And again, if you cannot chat frequently, you can go to Discord, basically to the Discord Bookmap room. Here's the link again. And register your Bookmap license under Verify here. Then you can get access to the Pro webinar series and also to my chat room where you can ask questions on Robert Rother futures, and you can chat frequently without any delay. Hello novice trader 90. Hi, I'm new to Bookmap and trading futures. What's the best learning path for me, and what's the learning curve look like? I have no experience trading in ETFs or futures, just gold CFDs. Well, Bookmap has an academy. Yeah, I think that is a very nice way to start. I'm just also showing you here the link. Join the Bookmap Academy. I think that's a good way to start. Apply here. Yeah, and participate in the Bookmap Discord channel. There are many valuable information. Yeah? And of course, have a Bookmap license. Basically, the Global Plus version. You can get it here. And then if you really want to get on the fast track and want to learn about prop trading, of course, I have to give you my own community. LIT day trading. We have everyday market talks. You can join here. We are trading together. You can see how most of our members getting funded very quickly. Very high success rate. And also I'm on probation for Apex. So it's basically I'm on my way to become a live trader for Apex, and every day live tradings on the calendar starting with market opening 3 p.m. Central European time or 9 a.m. Eastern time, and then we are trading together as long as it takes. Even after this live stream, we are going to continue in our own trading room, and then you can basically learn and copy my trading blueprint and learn how to use Bookmap, learn how to trade with prop firms, and basically the point is to get your payouts as quick as possible and to make money. Yeah. So now again here, let's see at the market. Let's have another look. Again, if we can get a short trade here, we have this day VWAP and session VWAP here. Alright, 2 losing trades in a row is very seldom. Yesterday only winning trades. So novice trader, like I said, really Bookmap is a source of knowledge, yeah. On the Discord channel and definitely on the YouTube channels, yeah. Watch all the videos from me and from other traders. Then you can find the way that you like, that is suitable for you to trade. So let's see if we can catch another trade here. Yeah, another trade here at the VWAP. We check it here also, this VWAP here. Okay, this trade was very good. Perfect trade at the VWAP. Both VWAPs together, session VWAP and day VWAP, and took the profit. This is basically my niche in trading, is to discover where algorithms are going to buy and sell. Jorge, Robert, I want to join your private room. Is it possible to pay in installments? Jorge, well, basically, just send me a private message if you register here in our free community. Then we discuss this. Then I send a DM to me and then we can discuss. So now let's have a look. New attempt to break the lows. Yeah, then next thing would here 07. So maybe we can even try to catch another trade here. Let's see VWAP. So, and you still can hit the like button here on YouTube. So already over 60 people watching. And we can see the second standard deviation is really choppy today. Normally the market is reacting much smoother on these standard deviations. But this is from day to day really different. Every day the market has a new behavior. We can see we still have a very thin order book, only 2 digits here. That makes it very choppy. We have some iceberg orders here. They're moving along the price, but they're not too big. 241 is not that big. So not much happening here right now. Okay, Jorge, I'm going to look at it after the stream. So we are waiting here. I would try is along here. It's the second standard deviation from the day VWAP. This could be interesting. Caesar, oh man, this is terrible price action. These tiny ranges, they like this are not fun with massive gaps. Back to potentials. Swing traders make twice the price action lately, other than yesterday, but there was still a lot of chop yesterday. Yes, Caesar, absolutely. I totally agree with you. These little ranges of 1 or 2 points is really annoying when the market is only moving slowly in one direction. Very difficult to trade for me. You really need patience to find trades. So maybe here again one more chance. Jorge, is it important here volume or delta at VWAP reactions with price? No, not really. I do not look at delta at all. Doesn't bring any benefit for me. And if you have volume, it's good, but basically it's not that important. The market simply just, if the price is going to VWAP, the algorithms starting to do their business. BZD, Jamal, thank you so much for sharing your valuable trading knowledge with us. Thank you. Thank you for your words. Very kind of you. So now, okay, now we got the trade here. And, well, that is a market sweep. And now, basically, I think I'm out. Yeah, this is when the market is basically in a rotation like this, then the breakout will come. And, well, I was on the wrong side. It's like that. Where does the market wants to go now? Holy Gray, hello, welcome, and have fun learning Bookmap. And probably they just kicked me out here with this trade, and now going into the other direction. This is little. But that's the game, yeah. That is trading. This is this choppiness of this market. Well, right now I also don't see much here of trading opportunities. As long as we stay in this range. No. I really kicked out everyone here. Very typical. And back here into this range. Tony McBride, so many weird liquidity sweeps, yeah. That is true, but this is because of the low. Well, we see the order book is very low. Oh yeah, Ramin, that was your home sales. I really forgot about that. I shouldn't have been in the market, but I knew there was something at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah. Actually, I looked at it before I made my market analysis, and then I did not check the time. But luckily, not much happened. So anyway, then I would say we close this live trading. If you want to learn more about my trading style, you can join us in our day trading community. We are actually continuing right now, Ramin. So we'll see each other in maybe 10 minutes. I'm taking a short break. And then we are back in our private trading room. Otherwise, for all other traders, we see each other next Wednesday for my German stream, or same time, same place next Thursday for English stream. And I will keep you updated how my Apex journey is continuing, and hopefully we have the Bookmap trade copy here soon. Bye. See you next week.